YouTube family. Today I'll be making slime. And I already made my slime. I don't want to make any more just to use it. I'm just waiting to let it sit for quite a bit. And let me get you in the lighting. I haven't been here in a long time, but as you can see, it's foaming. Let me put the camera on it. It has foamed together. It has foamed together. So, this is how it looks. I can't stir with my right hand, but this is how it looks. It foamed together. And the things you will need is, let me get up, is some shampoo, and I just use this kind of shampoo, and some hand soap. And you just want to add tiny bits of hand soap, not that much, just tiny bits at a time. And then when you feel like it's coming together, you just want to, if you adding any food dye, food coloring or paint or anything like that, you want to add that when at the last process. That's the last process. And then you may want to let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. And then after that, after 1 to 2 hours, you should have your slime. I love you. And sorry about I didn't make it with y'all, but I promise I'll make the next slime with y'all.